Portable blender USB mixer features, portable electric juice cup, mini charged juice cup, easy to carry, put in a bag, put on the car, or put it in your hand, you can squeeze out fresh juice for you at any time. Charging performance, USB charging port, any Android mobile phone charging cable can be universal, computer, charging treasure USB socket to charge at any time. Applicable scenarios, at home, at the office, at school, at the hospital, outdoors. Fresh juice, milkshake can be served at any time, anywhere. Parameter, capacity, 380 ml, blade material, 403 stainless steel, motor voltage, DC 3.6 volts, motor speed, 22000 R per meter, no load, 15000 R per meter, load, working current, 1012A, blade, 4 pieces notes, 1. For the first time, please charge for 3 hours, the juice cup cannot be used during the charging process. Charging treasure, mobile phone plug, computer USB can be charged at will. 2. Before the juice is squeezed, cut the small pieces as much as possible. When adding juice, be sure to add water or milk. 3. Please turn the inverter upside down during use. Shake up and down 45 degrees or 180 degrees after the blade is started. Adjust the shaking speed according to the viscosity of the food. 4. When cleaning, do not place the base in the water to clean it, and waterproof it into the base to damage the electronic components. Check out the description of the video below to get more information on the portable blender USB mixer.